Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikole Gonsalves, and today I thought I would switch things up a little bit, and instead of doing a normal wellness lifestyle video, I'm gonna do a fall decor video. So I don't do a lot of decor stuff on my channel, mostly because I don't feel like I'm the best at it, but in our new space, I feel like I've just been taking more time and being just intentional about putting certain things together. And I think I've done a pretty good job. So not only with just like decorating the house, but also getting it ready for fall. And I've never really done proper fall decor, and I'm really excited about how it's all turned out. Even Matt has been giving me compliments on it. So I thought I gotta share it with you guys. These things are still available at the stores that I got. I did my decorating pretty early. As soon as it hit like September 1st, I was like, yes, fall decor, bring it on, so excited, and that's what's been happening. Like fall threw up in our house, and I'm loving every bit of it. So I'm gonna have everything that I mentioned, if it's still available, linked down below for you guys to check out. Also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, usually I post healthy recipes, morning routines, what I eat in a day, weekly vlogs. It's really a mixture of things, so you never get bored. It's free to subscribe. You can click that red button down below and you can come back every single week for new videos. So without further ado, let's hop right in, and we're gonna do like a walking tour throughout the house and show you guys all the little nooks and crannies that are fallified, and I'm loving it. So let's hop right in. So the first space I wanted to decorate was, of course, the front entrance, and I went a little crazy with the pumpkins, but I saw these actually at Zehrs, so just a grocery store nearby, and I just kind of went crazy. These large ones are called Cinderella pumpkins. I thought they were so cute. I loved the pastel colors of them, and then I just paired them with these little pumpkin pie pumpkins. The large ones I think were like $5.99. The small ones were $1.50. And what I like about them is that, you know, you can just compost them, or you can eat them or carve them when it comes to Halloween. So they're actually like functional decor. I don't have anything yet in this potter up here. We took out the previous plants because they were kind of dying, so we might put like mums or something in there, something more fall festive, but we haven't done that yet. We just kind of like, well, I just sprouted a bunch of pumpkins on our front stairs, and it looks really cute, and it's just an easy affordable way to add something fun to your front entrance. And then also above me on the door, which I'll show a close up of, we have a really cute fall wreath, and I will say that I looked everywhere for the perfect one. A lot of them were super overdone. I wanted something that was a mixture, that was kind of simple but still had the fall flair. And they were also, some of them were really expensive, like $60. I found this one for I think 25 bucks at HomeSense. I will link some similar ones down below, or you can make your own. There's tons of DIYs out there if you're crafty. But I just think a wreath is really cute, a cute way to add some little fall spice when you first walk into the door. So when you walk into our home, the first main thing you see is this media unit. So this is actually meant for TVs, but I'm kind of using it as a little buffet. It sits really nicely under our window, and it's like the perfect thing to just decorate depending on whatever season it is. So I have a couple plants here. These are just things that will be here year round. I'm diffusing some fall inspired essential oils. I have thieves and orange oil in there. I will link those down below. And then I also just have this really cute tray here, and this is just an easy decor hack. So this is just a kind of a coppery metal tray that I got at Target, and I just got some of these really cute little decor bulbs. There's a lot of, you'll see throughout the house, I get a lot of inspo from nature. I love woods and just natural textures and stuff like that. So this is just all very natural, woodsy, fall looking items that came in a pack, and they're not scented because I don't like artificial fragrance stuff. It just gives me a headache. And these are actually little pine cones I picked up on a walk with cashews. So, oh, and there's also little acorns that I also picked up when we were at a campsite. So I just thought that was really cute. I just added to it. And that's the thing too, you can go into a forest, look in your backyard, and find things in nature to help inspire your decor inside your house. Like bring the nature in, and that's what I've been really trying to do with our space. So then in this corner, this is probably my most fall corner in the house. I have a lot of things going on. I have this beautiful amber jar that I got, and then I just kind of put some fake, they're not even flowers, like fake leaves, and I don't know what these are called, fake berries. They're just like, you can find these at Michael's. I got those at Target. You can find them even at the dollar store. And then I got some beautiful beeswax orange candles. I really like these. They, I think, are unscented. They're unscented, it's just beeswax, and I just like that because, I mean, I could burn it, like light it and burn it if I wanted to, but they're probably just gonna be more for decor. But I just like that they're made from beeswax as opposed to like artificial stuff. I also have just like little pumpkins. You can find these now for super cheap. I got these for like 60 cents each, and they're such a fun way to add some easy decorations to your space. I have this little clay acorn that Chloe brought for me from Portugal, so I thought that looked very festive with our theme here. I got a couple of doggy treats here for Cashew. These jars are from the HealthNut Pup Shop. They'll be linked down below. And just super cute. Everything just kind of flows. And I mean, you can tell there's like a fall theme in here without it being like super in your face. It just all kind of flows with our normal decor because I didn't want to completely have to buy all new things and take out things that is part of our all year round stuff. So I really wanted things to complement and just add to the space rather than like completely take over, if that makes sense. So let's head over to the living room actually behind you. There's some really cute things in there as well. So for the living room, I kept it really simple. We're not even done decorating in here, but I wanted just to add a little something to the couch. So I threw on some throw pillows that they're just like a really easy thing to add some fun decoration to your space. And the cool thing is you can always just add some new pillow covers if you want to keep the exact same pillows, but just swap out the actual color or look of them. So I just got a few different options from Target. They're super affordable. If you can't tell, I love Target. It's so good. It's really, they have really cute things, but you can find similar things even at HomeSense or Winners. Just keep an eye out. I buy a lot of my decor stuff at like more affordable places. Some of our furniture is from West Elm, but to be honest, if it is from a higher end place, we usually get it, look for a sale or something. So we got these super comfy decor but functional pillows, and then there's one Cashew's sleeping on right now that's more of a striped one that's cute. I also wanted to get a new throw blanket. Our old one, it wasn't that cozy to be honest, and it didn't really match the colors in our new space. This one will be good throughout winter and really like all season long. I love it. It's nice and furry on the inside and it's cream, so it'll really go with anything that we add to the couch. So I'm really in love with how it looks. It's so comfy and cozy, and it just, the oranges really just add to the whole space when you see everything together. All right, so let's head over to the dining room because I am obsessed with my tablescape. I didn't even really know what a tablescape was, but now I do, and I'm gonna be doing one every single season. I'm #adulting and I'm loving it, so let's head over there. All right, this table, I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. If you guys didn't know, we're actually hosting Thanksgiving for the first time for our family in our home, and I'm so thrilled. That's kind of what inspired me to decorate it in a fall theme. This table here is where we're gonna be having our Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna have to do another table as well because I have a lot of family. I think there's like 25 people coming for Thanksgiving, which is kind of crazy because our space isn't that big. But we have this beautiful tablescape that I made. So originally, I'll tell you guys the backstory. Originally, I wanted to DIY something here, and then I realized by the time I bought everything I needed to DIY a centerpiece, I was just gonna get something off Etsy. And it was gonna be like $60 to buy this piece that looked very similar to what I ended up making. And then I ended up finding this faux eucalyptus kind of garland, I guess, from Target, but I've seen these even on Amazon. And this was $25. And then I just got these 60-cent pumpkins and gourds. And I think these little acorns were $3 for a huge pack of them. And I just kind of, I can't even call this like really a DIY. I just put the garland down, I placed the pumpkins and gourds, and then I even got this for like $3. I just filled it with some acorns and a little white pumpkin. And you know what? I'm really in love with it. I think it looks so cute. I created this in minutes. I think under 10 minutes I had it done. And I'm not much of a DIYer, but I felt very impressed with myself. And I just laid it on this beautiful checkered, I think it's checkered plaid runner. And this is so cute. I think it's reversible too. There's like a gray on the other side. And I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep the runner on when we're actually having Thanksgiving dinner, but just for every day, it looks really beautiful. And this table's been my favorite thing that I've decorated, and I'm kind of loving it. And you guys can do this too. If I can do it, you can do it. This was so easy to put together, and I think it has a really big impact on the space, especially because it's open concept. Your eye kind of just draws right to this when you walk up the stairs. So I'm in love with it. It's so cute. So then back here behind me, we have our actual buffet table, which eventually I want to do a gallery wall on top. But we wanted to start setting this up for entertaining for the holidays. So we have like our cake stand, we have a little Lazy Susan that we can put stuff on. We have our little bar cart, which we'll set up for once people are over and mixing up drinks and stuff. We also have our wine rack, which we do drink wine, but like not this much. We have quite the collection right now. Just sometimes from people, gifting us wines, or just if we're stocking up for when we do have people over, it's nice to always have a bottle of wine to serve. But yeah, I think it's gonna be really cute. We wanna keep this pretty simple, and the food will probably be served on our countertops, kind of like buffet style, so that way the table can be still decorated and people can, it's not like pass the mashed potatoes. Everything's on one spot. That's kind of what we do for Thanksgiving. But yeah, if you guys want me to actually vlog our Thanksgiving prep and stuff, let me know, because like I said, it's our first one and I'm a little nervous but super excited. And yeah, I think it's gonna come together in our space. Even though there's not a ton of it, we'll make it work. So every surface will be utilized during our dinner. So the last room that I want to decorate was the bathroom. So I just really want to add a few little things here. This is the main bathroom. We have one downstairs too, but this is the one that guests use when they come over. So I thought I would just do a little bit of sprucing up in here to make it look a little bit more fall festive. So I swapped out my hand towels here. I really like this little feature here. This came with the bathroom, but I think I can find a very similar one to it, but it's really cute. And I just hang the hand towels off of the bar here. And I originally was looking for more of an orangey color scheme in here, and then I saw these. Well, they didn't have any that I could find that I liked. I was finding more like coral, which I felt like was too summery. So I really liked this cranberry color. I got a mat too that I'm standing on, and I feel like this is gonna be a really great color to transition from fall into winter. It's definitely an in-between color scheme, so I really like it for this space. And I'm not a huge red person, so I love that this is more cranberry. And then on here, I just kind of swapped a few things out. I added some fall decor, like these little ceramic pumpkins. I found these, I think, at HomeSense. And I just added, this is just a little, I think this is a soy candle. And it's just pumpkin spiced. And I probably won't even like this, especially because there's a shelf right above it. But even just having it open just gives the space that little bit of that pumpkin spice smell. I have a little, this is funny, this is like a pear-shaped pumpkin up top here. So I love the pumpkins that they're green and they go with the space, but they also happen to be fall and Halloween themed. We also updated our letterboard here, which you see right across from the toilet. So as you're doing your business, you can just do some light reading. And we just did a little saying pumpkin spice and everything nice, but obviously you can switch it up. These are nice because you can switch it up by the season or whatever you're feeling like. If you want to put your favorite quote on there, I just think that they're really fun. And I like having sayings and words and stuff on the walls because it just, inspires you. And that's just like a cute little message for the season. Then for the actual vanity, I want to keep it really clean and simple. I don't like too much on here. Otherwise, I feel like it just gets really cluttery. But I did want to add in a festive hand soap. So this one was just by Myers, and this is their apple cider scent, and it smells so good. I actually bought 3 of these. Oh, it smells so good. And Myers is a cleaner brand. I really like this one. Otherwise, Method has a really nice orange and ginger one that I have in the downstairs bathroom. But hand soap and hand towels are quick things that you can easily swap out to change your space from season to season. And I think I didn't add too many things in here, but when you walk in, you can tell that there's something happening. So I think that's the end of our fall tour. Let's head back to the living room. There you have it. That is my fallified home. I'm honestly in love with it, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've decorated your home already in the fall spirit. Honestly, this is like my favorite season. I love summer, but I really love fall. And I mean, it's both mine and Matt's birthday month. We had the book launch this month, which, by the way, if you have not watched the HealthNut Cookbook Diaries, we just released the latest episode on Friday. That whole playlist will be linked down below. I'm sharing the entire journey of creating the HealthNut Cookbook. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed to our email list, we send weekly emails about just recaps of what's happening, different events that are popping up. Sometimes we do added like discounts and bonus content on there that isn't available anywhere else. You get early access to it. So if you guys want to be part of the VIP email subscriber list, you can check the links down below to sign up. It's free and you can unsubscribe anytime you want. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today as I just share what my house looks like right now. I know I haven't done like an official home tour yet, but that will be coming soon. I just want to show little sneak peeks of all the fall stuff, but we're almost done getting our house together. We have a few more things like the TV unit in the living room, and we still have that back room that everyone says that we should make it into Cashew's room. She's spoiled enough, guys. She doesn't need a room, but that was a really cute suggestion. So still a few things to get done in the house, but this was just like a fun little sneak peek of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video, and have a fabulous day and have fun decorating your home. Make it very cozy and in the fall spirit, because honestly, it makes you really happy when you wake up to everything being fallified in the morning. I'm not gonna lie. So, okay, I'm gonna be done talking. I'm blabbering a lot. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.